Hey guys, it's me. So welcome to Great Animation. Because got the flip, because nice great cartoon. It's get more animation. Cartoon are great because it's really nice ever. The words nicely. Marble 1. Jari is a bear. Did you know Jari is a bear? Its name is Jari, the greatest cartoon ever. She stares at the robot face. Because her hands, her mother's head, it's gonna got BGS for nice cartoon. We got the RoboCop. Marble 2. Joe is a bear is very nice guy. Joe is a bear what? Because of great hands. Because more up at the face cop. She up and down but ice more. So you know what? It's nice day forever. Marble 3. Joe is a bear fire magical. Joe is a bear magical. It's great and nice to fire. Because he is powerful, it's nice day. Forever. Marble 4. Joe is a bear. Look at that car she born. Because of Joe is a bear what? Because it's great and nice forever. Because she would stop her horn. Because she look at the car. It's not great, but it's not good. Marble 5. Joe is a bear open your face robot. Because the Joe is like a bear. Because Team Hungry be open her face. So you know what? This cartoon in Skynet is come out in Terminator. Marble 6. Joe is like a bear and Ball Dragon Ball Z. Joe is a bear because the powerful my hands. The super powerful beam. Because look at that face. Be go fine. Marble 7. Joe is a bear and magical kick. Joe is a bear job magical kick. But what? Joe is a bear kick a magical water. Marble 8. Joe is a bear is smash the kick. Magical in one piece. Did you see Joe is a bear is great and cool and powerful? She looks like cool as Smash. She like good. She like that. Looks like a Luffy. Marble 9. Joe is a bear. He's gonna walk. Joe is a bear. She's gonna walk in hands. A tail will powerful walk. Marble 10. Joe is a bear. So easy. Joe is a bear. She gonna walk. Her hands are gonna hands. She gonna walk. Joe is a bear. She gonna walk. She up and down. She gonna walk it down.